These women had a terrifying experience. They ran, hopped over fences, and lost their belongings trying to get away. When they thought they wouldn't survive, they sent final goodbye texts to their parents.
Jason Aldean was on, so we were right in the middle, very close to the front where we had been all weekend.
Albuquerque locals Miranda Lovato and Amanda Gretchel were having a great time at the Route 91 Harvest Festival in Las Vegas until a man opened fire on the crowd of concert goers.
The gunshots were getting louder. You could feel it. You could smell the gun ammo.
The two immediately started running. Lovato even lost her bag in the chaos.
We were just hopping fences and just trying to get away and as far as possible as we could. As we were running, you could just see people with blood on them, people laying on the street.
The two friends ran a mile and a half to a nearby motel where they hid out with others.
They told us that we could stay in a room for the time being, and so from that point we got into a hotel room with another couple from California and a lady and her 5-year-old daughter.
But still, the friends thought they were going to die.
Honestly, I was just sitting in the corner just praying and trying to stay calm because I just knew, okay, we're in a safer spot than most other people that are still out there with the shooter. So, we were really thankful for that, but at the same time, I still just thought the worst.
They say they'll always have flashbacks of the horrible night.
It's Vegas. We've been here a million times. It's one of our favorite vacation areas, and it'll never be the same.
The women are hoping to be back in Albuquerque tonight. I'm Katie Marsh, KYT Action 7 News.